Anyone would love to receive Mr. Buddy Bear by Embroider Buddy. They have the greatest animals and products, and they make it so easy for us as the embroiderer. Today, I'm going to talk about embroidering on Mr. Buddy Bear and how easy it can be done. You don't need a fancy hoop. You don't need any fancy backing. I'm going to show you how to do that process. And if you would like to become a retailer for Embroider Buddy, go to the link below, fill out the application so that you can offer all of the great products that they offer. So in the back, there is a hidden zipper for us. So I'm going to unzip the back, and that allows us to pull the belly out, and then you can even pull the head out so you can lay it all flat on the table. So I'll pull those two pieces out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lay it flat on the table. There's a seam on his belly, so that makes it very easy for us to line up the center. I'm going to use a piece of 3-ounce cutaway. I'm going to put that underneath, and then I'm just going to use my very traditional hoop that came with my machine. This is a 15 centimeter or a 5.9 inch hoop. Going to slip the ring underneath the backing, and then I'm going to kind of lay this out flat. The color we're going to use today is 1945 by Madeira. It's the perfect color for his sweet little nose. And of course, you're going to hoop it upside down so that you don't have to put his sweet little head into the machine. So we're going to hoop it upside down, and let's get it on the machine. Remember that if your item is upside down, you also want to flip your design upside down. And now Mr. Buddy Bear has the perfect monogram to travel to his forever home.